What is going on, guys? It's Alex here from Base One Digital. Today I want to talk to you about whether you should have an AMP plugin installed on your website. So first things first, what is an AMP plugin? Well, it's an extension onto a website that allows the website's main page to be stripped back of its stylization and design. So any excess code will be taken back, and then a basic version of the website will be shown to the end user. And so this stripped back version of the web page will be presented to mobile users in the Google search results page, which has become a priority for Google, as 50% of all searches are done by mobile over desktop. So the advantage of using an AMP plugin would result in faster loading times, as a more basic version of the web page is shown. It means that the server doesn't have to use more resources to load different animations on the screen, different really intense graphics. It can just show a very basic version of just text and images, which would result in faster loading times. And so this should mean that the page will increase in the search rankings on the Google search results pages, as Google prefers it when a page loads faster. It's been confirmed to be one of their ranking factors when deciding the order of pages. However, there are a few major drawbacks of using an AMP plugin, one of them being the restrictiveness of the design. As a lot of the code is taken away to make way for faster loading times, the designer will have less flexibility when it comes to designing the page, as the web page will only display very default looking text, and the layout of the images will be very standard. So then it becomes a trade-off between the appearance of the page or the speed at which it loads. One of the main reasons why I don't recommend you to use an AMP plugin on your website is it does limit the flexibility and uniqueness of the website and the brand's image that you can put across. I think there is a time and place for it. So if you had a breaking news website, or any website where users need fast loading times, and that is their main priority for using that website, say they're searching and they're hitting about 5 or 6 different websites at the same time, then speed is going to be a priority there over the brand image. Whereas if you're just a small business and you're looking to build your brand image online, your branding is essential in that sense. Speed is still important, but I don't think this is the best way to get it. I think for that reason that there are a few better ways of achieving faster loader times. One of them would be get better web hosting, optimizing the code on the website itself, using appropriately sized images, and there's many more. So I think overall I don't recommend people to use it on their website. Although if you're looking for that extra boost in speed, it's one of the priorities. It won't do you any harm to install it on your website. But of course, it's always worth noting the trade-offs between the two. So if you're going for speed, you've got to give up some sort of design flexibility and the limited appearance of which it will have on the user's web page. Either way, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below, or drop me an email. Or if you need any website design services, feel free to get in touch, and hopefully we can figure something out.